Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about the Apple Airtags. So this is what it looks like. So recently I posted an Instagram poll on my Instagram story. I don't know if that's right, but anyways, I asked you guys, should I do a video about the AirTag or not? And surprisingly, most of you guys, around more than 85%, said yes. So here am I doing a video for you guys. So anyways, let's start the video right now. Let's unbox the AirTag right now. So now I'm ready to unbox this with you guys. But before that, let me show you guys roughly what does the box looks like. So here it is. So behind here, this is just a typical Apple product which has the what is it called, the model number, serial number, and stuff like that, and the usual Apple green sticker. It's for you to pull when you open it. So before that, I'm gonna compare the MagSafe case and the AirTag. So yeah, it's a similar size as the MagSafe, just the thickness of the case is different. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to unbox it. I'm excited to unbox this. So let's stop comparing and stuff like that. Let's unbox it. Okay, so let me focus this. So here is the green sticker, as you guys can see. Hope you guys can see this. I'm bad with this focusing stuff. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it. Guys, okay, the green sticker is out. The green sticker is out, and this is how you open it. Okay, you just flip this open and just pull this out. Some simple safety and handling information and stuff like that. Apple 1-year warranty. Okay, anyways, I'm interested in this, and I know you guys are interested in this more than the paperwork, right? I'm sure. Anyways, let's just open it. AirTag. Okay, so yes, this is what it looks like. Just gonna show you guys. Okay, so wow, amazing. It's really simple. Okay, so now I'm just going to open it. So just like that, and this is what it looks like. There is an arrow right here. I'm guessing you guys should pull this. Yeah, oh guys, it's shiny. It's really shiny. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it. Oh guys, by the way, I've recently opened one AirTag. So this is the second one I'm opening for you with you guys. Once you reach this part, once you pull it, the battery will be, the AirTag will be activated, and there is a sound, if not mistaken, there is a sound coming from the AirTag. So yeah, let me just pull it with you guys. Can you guys hear the sound? I'm sure you guys could hear it. I hope you guys can hear it, but anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks like a fridge magnet. Look at the size, guys. This is the size of my palm. So it's really small. Look at my fingers. Now let's try to pair it with my phone. So guys, I've entered the Find My iPhone app, and you have to turn on your Bluetooth too. Your Bluetooth must be on. Okay, as you can see right here, the AirTag, my new AirTag pops out. So click on connect. The AirTag name for AirTags is basically where do you want to put the AirTag. For example, I put on my keys, I just put on keys. But for now, I'm just going to put on backpack. Continue. Okay, register AirTag to Apple ID. Continue. Nicholas's backpack, as you can see right there. So now it's setting up. There is a sound right there. Okay, so it says precision finding. Okay. You guys could pause the video if you guys want to read this. I'm just gonna skip it. Done. Okay, so now since I've connected with my AirTag, I can click on play sound. Ooh. So the sound is it's not that annoying. I like the sound actually. The sound is something, I don't know, let's hear it again. Guys, tell me what do you think of the sound? I just want to hear what do you guys think of the sound. I really like the sound, I don't know why. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna click on find. Okay. For example, I'm gonna put this AirTags right here. So you guys can see it. One moment, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, and you can see on my phone screen recording. I'm just gonna put it somewhere. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see it on the screen. Look at this. I'm just moving my phone away from me. Phone is here. Okay. To your left. Nearby. It's nearby guys. So as you can see, when I'm when I'm getting near to my phone will vibrate guys. So it's really like, I don't know, it's a different experience. I don't know how to explain it on the video, but anyways, I like the feeling where when you're coming close, there is some kind of vibration on your phone which says your AirTag is really nearby. And there is even a button down here on the right side, which is a sound button. Okay, let's just click it. So it basically rings the AirTag. So that's basically it. It's just really convenient to find your stuff if your stuff is missing. So yeah. Now I'm going to show you guys the outer look. This is what it looks like. And guys, for example, if you guys want to deactivate the AirTags, all you have to do is just to slide this to the left. I mean anti-clockwise. Look at this. Slide this to the left, and you guys could remove it. You guys could literally remove it. So this is the battery. This is what the battery looks like. So without the battery, it looks like that. It's just a piece of plastic guys, look at this. And let's insert the battery. One moment. Okay, you guys can hear the sound. Okay. So in order to put it back, spin it clockwise. We have to put some pressure on it and spin it, and turn it clockwise. So now it's activated back. Now I'll be showing you guys on the AirTags case. So this is what it looks like. Oh, by the way guys, this is not the original AirTag case from Apple. This is just a third-party AirTag case, which is called as fake AirTag case, but anyways, it has the same quality and the same durability. I didn't buy the original case. The reason is because the original case costs more than the AirTags itself. So for me, I don't think it's worth it to buy unless you have plenty of money and you just spend it like that. But for me, I just think of getting the cheapest case with the same, which have almost the same quality and durability as the original case. So I found this case online and just bought it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to put the AirTag in the case. Just open it right here and insert the AirTags. Make sure the Apple logo is aligned. Let me just show you guys first. You guys will understand in a while. Okay, as you can see here, there is an Apple logo. Make sure it is straight and aligned. So this is what it looks like after you put on the case. Yeah, it can be a toy too, but the main purpose of this case is for you to clip this on your backpack or on your keys, so you could find it. So yeah, or you could just play it like that if you are a kid. Anyways, I think that's it for this video. I'm not going to drag this video any longer since it's already quite long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also find this video useful. And if your friends or you are thinking of getting the new AirTag, I hope this video helped you decide at least a bit, help you decide to buy or not, and is it worth it or not. I hope this video really benefit you and help you. So anyways, I'm just gonna end this video right here. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to anyone. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video.